If you're asked to find the area of a sector and you're given the answer, always start with what you know, which is, let's use our formula. If the area of a sector is theta over 360 times pi r squared. Remember, it's what proportion of a circle is it times the formula for area if it was a full circle. Using this formula, let's add in what we do know from our question. The area has been provided, so let's do 42 will equal, now our area here has been provided by the right angle sign, and a right angle is 90 degrees. So given that we've now substituted, it's clear that we don't know the radius, and this is what we need to find out. The name of the game when finding an unknown letter in an equation is get the unknown letter on the left-hand side. To do that, let's clean this up. The first thing that's glaring for me is 90 over 360. There's two ways to do it. We could times this side by 360 and this side, or we could solve that fraction by saying 90 divided by 360, which is 0.25. We'd now like to get rid of this whole 0.25 times pi r squared, so we could actually divide both sides by 0.25. So 42 divided by 0.25 is 168 equals pi r squared. Now remember, pi r squared has invisible little times in there, so we could get rid of pi, and we know pi is 3.14, so what we could do would be divide both sides by 3.14 to get rid of pi. So 168 divided by 3.14 is 53.50 to two decimal places as r squared. And then we want to get r on the left hand side. I'm sorry, we've gone off the page here. If we want to get r on the left hand side, I'm just going to flip it to make it easier to read. And if r squared is 53.50, the opposite of squaring something is, remember, it's the square root. So let's apply square root to the left hand side, which will enable us to just say r. And then let's apply square root to 53.50. On these calculators you may have to do square root of 53.5 is 7.31 centimetres to 2 dp. Let's do a little box around our answer. We're finding actually the unknown side here. So if the area was 42, the radius would be 7.31. Remember, your answer may vary slightly whether you used pressing the pi button or using 3.14.